keseng kongres uba Roni V Lengdo uba dang shu ino shen ya kakam kum Nongialam jo Liang pyrshah apo ing dorbar tawan kejela ulapan pau ba kalong ke badon kampa bandon Nongialam ha Liang pyrshah knang ba kandon kejingeda namar ba klem Nongialam ha Liang pyrshah anam don uban mi khmat ya ka State Security Commission kabalong ke bakongsan ba shu elai tu ba teng ya karai bala syem lada klem don ke Liang pyrshah kam yahap ulai tu ru ba hadin ba kelaya keren nak Liang jongu badu Dr Mukul kilarai ban menjur ban pentikna ba kakam Nongialam jo Liang pyrshah kam dai ban sui khli bat namar kalong kakam ka ba hakli du ha Liang pyrshah bat udai ba khamrang ba ha kakam kidon sangut kentup yu barok kidon ringut kidkan susu la berab da ka ba ong ba udon ke jingkermen ba ulampang ke yang dorbar un menjur ya kani ke jing terwa ke jungki habai dai bat chief whip ke Liang pyrshah ba Roni ulong ba kadai ke jingas ngautu jingmut hapadeng arteli ke parti nadu ba kilaya keren ba kin shimti ya ke suki Nongialam ke Liang pyrshah bat ke kongres kan shimti ya ke suki chief whip ke Liang pyrshah.
You see, post of LO is a very important post. For example, now we have the State Security Commission. Okay, now if there is no LO, then from the opposition side there will be no representation in the State Security Commission, which is very crucial. Sometimes there are decisions that are taken, and maybe if there is the opposition, it will be a balanced and representation.
So why did you choose to support Dr Mukul Sangma?
You see, because after we have discussed, then Dr Mukul Sangma and from my side, from the CLP, decided to come together and ensure that the post of LO is not left vacant, and being the senior most and having the most number from the opposition, because there are 5 numbers and with me it becomes 6. So we have proposed, and I hope the speaker will agree to our proposal.
And
that is the understanding between the two parties, that since we have come together, they will take the post of LO, and CL from the Congress will take the post of opposition chief.
But is there any method of...
See, we have written to the speaker. Now it's up to the prerogative of the speaker to accept our proposal. After the session is over, we will have a meeting and then pursue the case of these 3 MLAs.
The question was
about...
No. You see, in this case, because we have not formed an alliance as such. Okay. Since we felt there was a need that the post of LO should not be left vacant. Because as I said, it's not only in the House, but then we have certain committees where the LO is part of that committee. For example, like I cited the example of State Security Commission. Now that is a very important commission. So we felt the need that there should be representation from the opposition also.